What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cyborg Red from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page at the bottom edge of the head. We'll start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve coming down the middle. And we'll bend that back up towards the right. Now on the ends, draw a short line going up towards the eyes. Now from here we're going to draw a large curve for the eye socket. Let's start on the left. Just going to bend this in, go up, and then bend that out towards the top. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Coming in, up, and then out. Now you want to close off the top of the head with a curve, going up the middle, and then we'll bring that back down. Now from here we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve for the eye. We're going to go out, come down, and then bend that in toward the bottom. And let's do the same thing on the right. Going out, come down, and then in. Let's add a trim along the base of the eyes. We're going to step out, follow that same curve, coming all the way around, and then out towards the bottom. On the outside of the left eye, let's draw an oval for the pupil. Come all the way around, up, and then back down. Now I want to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eye in black. Starting on the left. And then we'll fill in the entire right eye. Let's add 3 rivets along the inside of this trim. Starting from the bottom, we'll add a circle, add one in the middle, and then one along the top. Let's separate the head with that metal plate. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, draw a straight line coming down toward the center, angle this down toward the left, and then come straight down. Let's add some rivets on the left side of that center line. Add one along the bottom, in the middle, and then the top. Now from the bottom corners of the head, draw a straight angled line coming down across the shoulders. And then we're going to bend the body, coming down and then in towards the hips. Let's draw a short line coming down. And we'll draw an angled line coming down and out towards the bottom of the coat. Let's round out the bottom of the coat, come down and then in. And then we're going to go all the way back up towards the top and draw the inside edge of the coat. Let's leave a gap in the center. Start on the left side. We're going to bend this down and then out towards the bottom of the coat on the left. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Coming down, and then we'll bend that out. Let's add the coat collar. On the left side, angle this down and out. Come down and then in towards the bottom. Let's go back up and draw the top half of the collar. Halfway along this line, go up and out. Angle this up and in towards the head. Now let's draw on the shirt collar. In the center, angle down and out on either side. Step down, angle down and in towards the middle. Now we're going to go halfway between the bottom of this point and the bottom of the coat and draw the edge of the vest. We're going to come down and then up, and then from that center point, draw a straight line coming down. Let's place the tie in this area from the sides, angle this down and in towards the bottom of the knot, flatten this off, and then from the bottom corners, angle the tie coming down and out in behind the vest. Now in the center, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel, go over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Start from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up on the outside. From the outside of the foot, we're going to curve this up And we'll bend that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go up underneath the coat, step in, draw the outside of the leg. And bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Just up above the foot, let's draw the bottom of the pant, curving down and then up. Now let's go back up to the top and give our carrot some large mechanical arms. From the corners of the shoulders, draw a straight angled line coming down and out towards the forearms. Now on the left side, we're going to put a drill on the end of the hand. So from the edge of the arm, I'm going to step down, bend this up, and go out towards the edge. Let's add a socket with a half circle, coming down and then up. From the outside, we're going to curve the arm, go all the way around, come in towards the elbow, and then bend that up toward the side of the body. Let's place that drill inside the socket. From these 2 points, we're going to angle this up and then out towards the tip. Let's add that texture inside the drill from the bottom corner, bend this in and then up, step up. Just want to repeat this all the way up towards the tip. Let's separate the base of the arm, coming down and in, and then back up towards the top, step up and draw that again. Now I'm going to add some rivets along this band. Add one on the outsides, and then one in the center. Now I'm going to add a metal texture across the arm. Let's start from the inside of the elbow, come down, and then bend that out. Go back to the top, bend this in and then down. Now I'm going to go up towards the outside of the arm, come in and then down. Now I want to do a similar thing on the right side. We're going to add 3 claws. From the edge of the arm, I'm going to step in, bend this up, and then out. Now I want to add a small half circle for the socket. Now I want to create that same shape on the right side, but in the opposite direction. Go all the way around, go down and in towards the elbow. I'm just going to bend this back up towards the side of the body. Let's add a curved claw inside the socket. Start from the top, bend this in and up, come down and back out. Let's tuck 2 claws along the top, coming up and in, come down towards the bottom. Now leave a gap and draw one more. Let's separate the base of the arm. I'm going to step up, curve down, and then up, step up, and draw that again. Now on this side, we're just going to add 2 rivets, one on the top and one on the bottom. Now I'm just going to add a couple more metal plates across the body. Let's start on the right collar, angle this down and then out. Just going to add a couple rivets across the corners. And then we'll add one more metal plate across the leg. Coming down and up. Add a couple rivets. And now we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Cyborg Red from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.